July really slowed down due to, it was like a money grab this month. I had a lot of events to do. I had a lot of tattoo stuff going on. So I mean, it was just a money grab for me, and progress is still being made. But that is really the reason why I haven't personally been down there as much over the month of July. I've been keeping up with grass. It's the busiest month with grass, but things have been done. A lot of materials have been bought due to having all the work time that I've had in on my other jobs and taking a break from the house, really. I mean, ceilings got painted that I didn't really show. A door, I got a new front door on there. The ceiling in the living room is done and all the material is bought. But yeah, let's just go down and check it out like we always have, like we've been doing. And that seems to be the best way to go about this. All right, so I guess I should start with the new door. It's a new front door, thank God. But yeah, so I haven't even been down here yet today, so a little more progress here. But as you can see, ceiling, it's hard to see in this lighting. Maybe you can see better in this. There we go. All right, so as you can see, the ceiling is done now, and all that is all sanded and smoothed in, and he's getting ready to paint. But yeah, so now the ceilings match. So excited to see them done. It was, you know, a little slower. July slowed down a lot because the power got turned off in here for about 2 weeks, and it was 95 degrees. And then also the I was just hustling all month this month, tattooing to buy everything we need. We have the doors, we have all the trim, and you know, I went ahead and bought the metal and everything that we need, because that metal is going to go in the corners of this room, and we still have to drywall a little bit in here, but the ceilings they've been done in here. We just have to paint them to match, because we're going to be painting all this, and this room is a whole other issue. It's almost ready to go. Like, as far as painting, it could be painted. It just needs that corner figured out, and trim and everything else. But I have trim. This is the trim for the entire house. I mean, there's a lot more there than what it looks. And it was there's the baseboard. But it was hilarious getting it here. I'll show a little video there. But yeah, we're not even gonna. I gotta buy new. As soon as I'm done with this video, I'm ordering new sconces there. But new light fixtures for every room. There's a new light fixture ready to roll. I got a ceiling fan for this room. It's over in this box here, but it's like a real modern ceiling fan. And then going upstairs, it's not really necessary because nothing's really changed, other than, you know, I got the quarter round for this room, and the lights are back on, which you guys have never seen them off, but I did. So excited to have this done up here. But yeah, light fixture for that. Light fixtures in every room. You know, there's that one for there. So, and trim, crown molding, everything's getting done up here this week. Got all the doors for every room. But it's starting to look different. Once everything's painted, it won't look so, you know, rough. Like when you first walk in here and you see this, you know, once all these walls are the same color like that, which we have to box that into, and we're putting an outlet down there, but yeah, I mean, it's going to look like it's done within the next couple of days. I can't wait till next month because you guys are going to see a crazy change. But anyway, so yeah, I mean, there it is. You guys know that, you know, if anybody else that does this knows what a grind it is and knows how expensive materials are. Every week, it's like $1,000 here, $1,000 there. It's insane. So just to keep the ball rolling, I got to work as much as possible. But everything that needs bought for the inside of that house, minus the bathroom, is purchased, and the work me and Chuck are just knocking it out as we can do it, and that's it. Other than that, the outside will start hopefully at the beginning of September is my goal for that. That's just the goal, you know what I mean? They change, but hopefully in the month of September, the house will get, you know, the windows boxed and some siding on there. We'll just, I don't know what's going to happen, but we're just, that's what we're going for. We're trying to start the outside in September and do all the finishing final touches to the inside, which does not mean a kitchen will be done by any means, but like it'll be a blank canvas ready to be filled with furniture, ready to be filled with cabinets, and that's the fun part, you know, doing all that. So yeah, by the end of August, by the end of this next month, which starts tomorrow, by the end of August, we're hoping to have the interior done, except for the bathroom, done. I'm hoping that I have more to show you, but I'm excited for it. So day by day, man, I'm doing this in real time. This isn't premeditated. It is the 30th of July. I will put this out on the 31st. So this is real time. Thank you for watching, and thanks for keeping up. Yeah, hopefully I have more to show you next month.